Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
The Lord continued, "Sometime in the future your brother, Uttama, will go hunting in the forest, and while absorbed in hunting, he will be killed. Your stepmother, Suruci, being maddened upon the death of her son, will go to search him out in the forest, but she will be devoured by a forest fire. Dhruv Maharaj came to the forest to search out the Supreme Personality of Godhead with a revenging spirit against his stepmother. His stepmother had insulted Dhruv, who was not an ordinary person, but a great Vaishnav. An offence at the lotus feet of a Vaishnav is the greatest offence in this world. Because of having insulted Dhruv Maharaj, Suruci would become mad upon the death of her son and would enter a forest fire, and thus her life would be ended. This was specifically mentioned by the Lord to Dhruv because he was determined for revenge against her. From this, we should take the lesson that we should never try to insult a Vaishnav. Not only should we not insult a Vaishnav, but we should not insult anyone unnecessarily. When Suruci insulted Dhruv Maharaj, he was just a child. She, of course, did not know that Dhruv was a great recognized Vaishnav, and so her offence was committed unknowingly. When one serves a Vaishnav unknowingly, one still gets the good result, and if one unknowingly insults a Vaishnav, one suffers the bad result. A Vaishnav is especially favoured by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Pleasing him or displeasing him directly affects the pleasure and displeasure of the Supreme Lord. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, in his 8 stanzas of prayer to the spiritual master, has sung Yasya Prasadad Bhagavat Prasada. By pleasing the spiritual master, who is a pure Vaishnav, one pleases the personality of Godhead, but if one displeases the spiritual master, one does not know where he is going.